you're experiencing approval delays on Cash App, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly. Follow this guide to help expedite the approval process. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause delays in transactions and approvals. Switch to Wi-Fi or move closer to your router if necessary. Step 2. Update the Cash App. Make sure you are using the latest version of Cash App. Outdated apps may have bugs or issues that can lead to delays. Go to your device's App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Review transaction limits. Cash App has specific limits on transactions. If you exceed these limits, your transactions may be delayed or require additional approval. Review your account limits in the app and ensure your transaction falls within those limits. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Cash App support for assistance. You can do this through the app by navigating to your profile and selecting Cash Support. Explain your issue clearly and provide any relevant details. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve approval delays on Cash App efficiently. If problems continue, regular communication with support can help ensure your issues are addressed.